Okay, so today is Saturday, May 30th, 2020, and today is the first day that Los Angeles County has opened up kind of everything. You can go to the beach and sit down. You can actually go inside a restaurant. You got to go every other table, social distancing, but you can go inside a restaurant and eat. So we went down to Hermosa Beach, California, which is part of the southern area of Los Angeles County. It's a very small little beachy community, and we went out to lunch, we rode bicycles, we went on the beach, and we wanted to make a little vlog to show everybody what it's like in Los Angeles County on day number 1 that Los Angeles County opens. So if you are new to this channel, we're a cooking channel. Check out some of our other videos. We try and have a little bit of fun, but today we really wanted to demonstrate like a rough cut vlog of what is going on in Los Angeles County on Saturday, May 30th, the first day that we're officially reopened from this pandemic stay-at-home order. Hope you enjoy. So we made it down to Hermosa Beach, and yeah. Hi, babe.
Hi, babe.
Fanny pack. So everything's open in LA County. Today's the first day. You can dine in restaurants and stuff like that and ride bikes and rent bikes. Yeah. But the parking structures are still closed because they don't want to encourage people to come down anywhere to the beach.
Sunbathing's allowed now.
No, not in LA County, only Ventura County. You have to keep moving. Okay. You're not allowed to stop.
Okay, no sunbathing.
Yeah.
All right.
So, I don't know. Let's just walk. So this is Pier Avenue, Hermosa Beach. Very famous. Hair salon was back open. They had one client inside, and the woman was wearing a mask. Everybody was wearing a mask. A lot of people out and about, but they still have no team activities, no signs, all that stuff. So. Good deal? It's definitely packed now, babe. A lot of people eating out. This table is not in use. Thank you for following the guidelines. How is any restaurant in LA County or anywhere in this country going to survive where you can only put somebody in every other table and you can only run your restaurant at 40 or 50% capacity? I don't know. Every other table not in use. Huh, babe? Every other table not in use. So it's really hard to even sit down and have lunch anywhere. Oh, hi, babe.
Oh, hi.
So, plastic disposable glasses, plastic disposable silverware.
This is the best Kim Crawford has ever tasted in a restaurant. So thank you.
No menus. You have a virtual menu that you scan, and that's wine. And yeah, everything's disposable. But I thought in California you couldn't have straws because it hurted the environment. But now everything's plastic and throw it away.
Yeah.
Oh, that's interesting.
Funny how things change.
Yeah.
They need to change their agenda, right?
That's right.
Yeah. Beat. I've got the keys to the change. Let's go. Oh my gosh,
This, babe.
Oh yeah, it's my Cobb salad.
Jalapeno chicken, bacon, aioli, something. What do you got? A burger?
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, babe. Oh yeah.
Yeah, babe.
So good.
Plastic cups, plastic little ramekin shot glasses, plastic silverware, plastic everything. But I thought California had an environmental issue, babe.
Yeah, babe.
But
now they're back to plastic everything.
Everything disposable. So many restrictions, babe. The pier is closed. No volleyball, babe.
No volleyball, but people are sitting there.
But you can sit on the beach now.
Yeah.
I think, yeah, you can sit on the beach.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, babe. You seem like you've never felt sand before.
Babe, it's been a while.
It's been a while, and now you're making us walk on the sand. Keep moving. Social distancing. Yeah, they're not enforcing people keeping moving because
Sand all over your thumb.
it's having a full-on day of freedom.
Yeah, it feels so good.
Can't walk on the pier. Pier's closed.
Yeah.
Social distancing.
But you can come down to the water.
Yeah.
Why? Why me? Why does it get on me? I don't understand.
That's tar, babe.
Why? Oh my gosh! Oh.
Okay, so all in all, things are getting back to normal. What was really ridiculous is that if you order a shot of tequila, it came in a little ketchup ranch ramekin type cup, little plastic disposable thing. You can't even order a proper shot. And what's really, really funny is that California outlawed straws. They wanted to save the sea turtles and whatnot and everything. Now everything's disposable. Disposable glasses, disposable silver, disposable everything. So the environment didn't really matter when it came to coronavirus. I don't know. It was freaking crazy. Most people did not wear masks. Most people did not social distance. I think that people are over it. So you saw what coronavirus did. You saw what everything did. LA County is trying to reopen, and it's just a crazy situation. This is what it's like on today's date. I don't know, but thank you guys for watching so much. Literally, Babe's merch is for sale, and that's all I have to say. I hope that you guys are doing well. Stay safe, stay healthy. We love you.